And good morning, Facebook. First live in a while. How are we today? Happy Tuesday. Wow, busy in the SimplyDiag Network Hub this morning. We've got a few bits and pieces going on. We've got a little Peugeot in here in for an AdBlue fault. We've diagnosed that this morning. Wants a knock sensor and a software update using the genuine dealer tool. So we're cracking on with that. We've got the little Renault on the ramp. I've got to finish that wiring off. That's tomorrow's job. That'll be done and dusted tomorrow. We've got live VAG group training going on from the DPF doctor. Absolutely awesome. So we're watching the live training there, and we've got a VIP guest. We've got one of the top garage competition finalists in the house on a ride along all the way from Burn Island in 5. We got Mr. Maitland himself. Hey, Ross, how are you?
I'm very well, yeah. Loving being down here. 5 years I've been waiting to come down, obviously with COVID and Steve's health and that kind of put a bit of knock on that, but yeah, finally here, loving it, absolutely brilliant, learning from the best, so yeah, loving it, absolutely great,
awesome.
Absolutely great. Anybody on the network, 100% do this because it's massively valuable. Yeah, awesome. And I got to sit in the chair and
you got to sit in the red chair. Go on, go and try it out for size, mate. Look at that, eh?
Hang on.
Look at that. We got the fire on for him and everything. Because you know what these Scottish lads are like. They're a bit nesh. 5 degrees it was in here this morning when we come in. Aye.
Could get used to this.
Yeah. Do you feel like a VIP?
Always.
Yeah.
Always. Definitely do now. Yeah, brilliant. Awesome.
Yeah. What have we been covering then?
We're covering process of diagnosing faults, which has been brilliant. Steve always talks about the funneling and everything like that at faults, so ran through a lot of that yesterday. Just how simple faults can be done, just analysing data and looking at fault codes and kind of getting an overall picture before you start diving in doing tests. So yeah, brilliant, really good. I can open my eyes a wee bit. Few light bulb moments. So yeah, really good. Awesome.
Brilliant.
Yeah, happy days.
So there you go, straight from the mouth of a top garage finalist. Yeah, we're having a couple of really good days. Obviously, because Ross has come down from 5. It's a bit of a long way to come for one day, so he's having a couple of days with us. The Zoom's live as well, so if you're a SimplyDiag Network member, the member Zoom is live. We've already had a couple of people drop in, and yeah, so catch you some more. Thanks for watching. You're awesome.